Fidelity just made a move that could quietly end retail crypto forever. You probably missed it, buried under all the noise. Here's the thing. For years, Bitcoin belonged to the dreamers, the retail crowd, the rebels. Now Wall Street's knocking, and they're not asking permission. They're walking straight through the front door. The old way. Individuals gambling on sketchy coins, hoping to strike gold overnight. The new way. Fidelity treating crypto like real portfolios. Think about that shift. This isn't speculation anymore. It's infrastructure. When institutions commit, they bring custody, compliance, and billion-dollar safety nets. Which means the assets actually back up. Not futures, not proxies, not promises. The actual coin. This won't happen overnight, but once it starts, it cannot be stopped. The floodgates will open, and they will never close. If you're still playing the crypto casino, you're ignoring the house. The same house now controls the game, which means the rules just changed. Here's the part nobody tells you. You can't ignore the casino. When Wall Street takes over, it's not an invitation. It's pure domination. They set the price. They dictate the pace. Retail gets left behind, holding empty bags. So here's the question. Are you positioning like a smart investor or still trading like a desperate gambler? Seriously, think about it. That difference will cost you everything. The window to adapt is closing faster than you think. The big money is already here. Your move matters more than ever. Subscribe to see exactly where Fidelity goes next and learn how to position yourself before it's too late.